Hello and welcome back. I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I paint a painting from this rangoli that I made in Diwali days. First, I use an masking tape for borders on this primered hardboard and spraying some water. Then start your painting by applying colors. Here I am using yellow, orange, red, pink for some shadows. And they looks perfect as a sunrise. Then I use pencil for creating some objects, and again I'm applying a blue color with some white and black for creating water. Then for shadows of water I use some black and I use yellow orange with some blue, as you can see in video. Then I'm highlighting the water area and drawing a random tree with some brown color. And for shadows I use black. Then I draw some grass, and again I'm drawing a tree, as you can see. I'm just highlighting with some dark green and light green for creating shadows of trees and grass. Then I'm applying white for birds. Here I'm applying white and grey for highlighting and for shadows. Then for eyes, I use black color. And also I'm creating shadow on water. Then I use pink and white for flowers and some green for leaves, as you can see in video. Then I highlighted the part of leaves with light green. Then I'm giving different colors of dots that they looks like flowers, and highlighting the water area also. And this is the final look of this painting. I'm in love with this painting. I love it a lot, and I think you may also love it. I hope you all are enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you so much for watching this video.